हैप्पी बर्थडे।
रुक जा ये वाला ले।
मीडिया वालों के साथ हम वहाँ फिनिश करके फिर यहाँ आ गए। तो सही ये ले लो।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Rahul. Happy birthday to you. आग लगा दिया।
Happy birthday Nakul Mehta.
ये होता है।
This side, ma'am, this side.
हाँ अभी खिला दो
Ma'am, this side, this side.
हाँ खिलाओ अभी
Nakul.
चलो हो गया रुको
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे। एक और खिलाइए। मैम
सर वीडियो के लिए एक और बार काटना है आपको।
अरे कट गया ना।
एक और केक बाकी है कटेगा।
ये भी वाला केक। सब लोग आ जाइए। दो बार कट के लेंगे।
तुम्हारे लिए तो लाइट है। Lovely to see you always. Oh yeah, you're such a lovely kid. Happy birthday. जैकेट मुझे
शॉर्ट वही तो नहीं उतार।
क्या हो रहा है? क्या करें? बैटरी प्रॉब्लम है क्या कुछ? Happy birthday for the show. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Rahul. Happy birthday to you. टेस्को के केक से ऊपर उठे।
अच्छा
ओ भाई साहब ऐसा नहीं होता है ना।
And also it's a special occasion कि आज ट्रेनिंग में रखनी चाहिए।
जी
तो क्योंकि आप कुछ अलग करते हुए इस सीरीज में नजर आने वाले हैं, तो does that makes you nervous?
कुछ अलग करते हुए मतलब
अलग किरदार है।
Different character।
अच्छा।
आप NSL से कुछ अलग देख रहे हैं हम।
नहीं एक्चुअली ये पहली बार है। मैं नर्वस बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ आई थिंक क्योंकि एंड इनफैक्ट मैं और आनिया आज डिस्कस कर रही थे कि बोथ ऑफ अस आर सो एक्साइटेड। फनीली देयर इज़ नो नर्वसनेस। इट्स अ प्रोजेक्ट जहाँ हमें बहुत मज़ा आया बनाने में एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ फन प्रोजेक्ट. हमने देख लिए 2-3 एपिसोड्स तो
दो झूठ मत बोलो.
मतलब मैं 5 देख चुका हूँ. सो आई एम प्रीटी कॉन्फिडेंट कि लोग देखेंगे उन्हें अच्छा लगेगा. सो आई एम नॉट नर्वस एट ऑल एक्चुअली.
And what do you
Yeah.
want?
मैं भी बिल्कुल तो नहीं बोलूँगी, थोड़ी नर्वसनेस है, लेकिन हम लोगों ने इतना मज़ा किया है. इट्स अ वेरी फन शो. तो हम बहुत एक्साइटेड है देखने के लिए. यू नो द एंड प्रोडक्ट इज़ ऑलवेज समथिंग वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू. तो इस बार आई थिंक वे मोर देन नर्वस,
Yeah,
एक्साइटेड
we are
एंड
excited,
हैप्पी
yeah.
एंड जस्ट पॉजिटिव आई फील.
Yeah.
भाई तो कितना लकी है.
थोड़ा बहुत एपिसोड दिखाया गया था आपके फ्रेंड्स के अंदर, तो क्या अप्रिशिएशन मिला, कुछ शेयर करना चाहिए?
यार आपने मुझे उनसे बात करने का मौका ही नहीं दिया. एक्चुअली मेरे दोस्त अभी आए हैं तो इस स्क्रीनिंग के बाद मुझे पता लगेगा. पर मेरी बीवी ने देखा. जानकी saw it and Janki really liked it. She thinks it was funny. She really likes Anya in it and she thought I'm quite goofy in it.
Decent.
Yeah. I'm fully indecent in the show. Yeah, there's nothing decent about me. But I think it's a fun show. She really enjoyed it. अभी पता चलेगा जब दोस्त देखेंगे what they feel about it.
And birthday का मौका है तो what was the special gift and how did you celebrate?
I think show आ रहा है, रिलीज हो रहा है, and that for me is my gift to all our audiences. And हाँ, और अगर उन्हें अच्छा लगा तो वो मेरा गिफ्ट होगा उनसे.
But talking about Janki,
जानकी ने क्या दिया मुझे? एक्चुअली शी थ्रू मी अ लिटिल सरप्राइज. तो जब मैं कल घर पे था तो कुछ 50 बलून्स मेरे घर में,
How sweet.
yeah, they were ready. It's never happened before. And मेरे 7-8 जो बहुत ही करीबी दोस्त हैं वो लोग घर आए हुए थे. So that to me was a wonderful surprise.
talking to you, what kind of response are you getting from your friends, family?
अभी तो कास्ट एंड क्रू स्क्रीनिंग था, इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली देखेंगे एंड वो बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन देंगे. तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू गेटिंग देयर ओपिनियन क्योंकि वे आर वेरी क्लोज टू दिस, सो वी विल एंजॉय इट इन एनी
But
केस.
my friends and family have given feedback on her already and they love her.
Even my friends, I've told you this, they
Yeah,
think you're
yeah.
very entertaining and very
Yeah,
cute.
yeah.
Yes.
So yeah.
So, जी.
So lastly क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कब आउट हो रहा है थोड़ा सा बताना.
20 जनवरी को शो आ रहा है. हमारे शो का नाम है
Never kiss your best friend.
It's available on.
Z5.
और आप इसे देख सकते हैं अपने
कहीं पे भी, फोन पे, लैपटॉप पे,
टीवी पे. और किसके साथ? अपने दोस्त के साथ, बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ,
पेरेंट्स के साथ,
गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ, एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ, बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ, दोनों के साथ. मतलब इट्स अ वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल शो.
चाची चाचा जहाँ
या एवरीबॉडी जो देखिए बस.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू.
क्या स्टार्टिंग का ये प्रोजेक्ट है, क्या टेलीविजन में आप कोई बर्थडे का आपको
मैं करना चाहूँगा. मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि क्या नया और अच्छा करूँ टीवी पर. पर अभी के लिए तो नेवर किस योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, और इसे आप टीवी पर भी देख सकते हैं. तो जो लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि टीवी पर कब आएंगे, यार अपने स्मार्ट टीवी पर देख लो ये वाला शो.
Thank you.
थैंक यू गाइस. थैंक यू.
You want us to do this pose? Never kiss your best friend pose. Sure. Come no.
करना है. One girl wants to take a boomerang. Sorry, of course. Come. So that's this is सुमृत शाही. इनकी लिखी शाही से ये कहानी लिखी गई है.
वही राइटर आप बन रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
असली राइटर तो आप.
और ये है हमारे
Director.
डायरेक्टर
कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप.
captain of our ship, Arif Khan. And Arif and Sumrit both have literally steered this ship. And बड़ा मज़ा है इनके साथ काम करके. ऐसा बोलना पड़ता है तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
Just because बोलना पड़ता है इसलिए बोल रहे हैं या
I need to be honest, both of them could have cast themselves in the show, but they did not play the role.
हम रो देंगे bro, don't.
First time I actually thought of Tani, I thought of Sumrit.
What a start.
What a start.
What a start.
पर
What a start.
मेरी planned because आपका birthday है इसलिए रखा गया specially for
I don't think so. ऐसा कुछ plan था. I think it just all fell
नकुल
into
के
place.
पेरेंट्स का टाइमिंग अच्छा था.
Unless Nakul का plan था. I don't
my parents timed it well,
Very
yeah. So
well. Yeah.
मतलब
You
a
got
few years
lucky,
away.
huh?
Yeah.
You got lucky.
You got lucky.
और हमें
darling.
बर्थडे गिफ्ट नहीं देना पड़ेगा ना, लाइक हो गया.
Wait, what about my dear friend Arif?
बिग बॉस में काफी लोगों को पीटा भी जा रहा है, मारा भी जा रहा
हाँ क्या?
सच में?
है. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि कुछ आप
मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ नेवर किस योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड देखिए. इसमें कोई मारपीट नहीं है. इट्स अ नॉन वायलेंट शो. हम गांधी जी इज अ हीरो एंड वी बिलीव इन नॉन वायलेंस. रोमांस में हमें काफ़ी दिलचस्पी है और फ्रेंडशिप में काफ़ी दिलचस्पी है. तो अगर वो वहाँ नहीं मिल रहा है इस शो में भरपूर मिलेगा. तो वॉच आन्या, वॉच आरिफ्स डायरेक्शन एंड सुमृत's राइटिंग इन नेवर किस योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. मेरे फ्रेंड, हाँ, आन्या मेरी फ्रेंड बन गई है.
मैं की बेस्ट फ्रेंड
Yeah.
मैं वाला शो में कौन है मतलब
मैं सिर्फ मैं
बिग बॉस में. अच्छा.
Biग Boss.
फ्रेंड्स एंड टेलीविजन
यार मेरे किसी
Never
दोस्त ने
अकेला
बिग बॉस
है?
किया ही नहीं, पता नहीं क्यों. आई डोंट नो. या तो मेरे फ्रेंड सही नहीं है, या तो
They have career. ये
आई डोंट नो.
वेरी बैड नकुल.
एक्चुअली ये जब भी फ्रेंड बनाते हैं उसे किस कर लेते हैं. So that is why he my friends.
निक इन द हाउस.
ये हमारा टोकन लंदन से,
ये हमारे
एस्टोनिया से है.
एस्टोनिया से लेकर आए हैं स्पेशली.
ये हमारी डीओपी है. ये भी शो के हीरो हो सकते थे, लेकिन हमने इन्हें डीओपी बना दिया है. एंड ही शॉट द शो वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुली. ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स, मेड आन्या लुक वेरी वेरी नाइस.
Which wasn't a big task. I think
let him
did
say
it.
that. So Nick, that's us, man. That's all of us. That's India for you, man.
Hello.
Yeah.
Pleasure.
How sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Please subscribe to Z5.
हाँ, 20th जनवरी हो गया. चल.
मैम यार ट्रेलर देखा होगा आज फिल्म देख कितने सर तो देखते हुए कितना मजा आया आपको.
Honestly, it looks awesome. Arif had sent me the trailer. तब मैं इंडिया में नहीं थी, मैं अमेरिका में थी, and I saw it. And of course, he's. I mean, if in case anyone doesn't know, जो मेरा music video था इंतजार, he had directed it, and he is awesome. So anything that comes out of him will be great, and I'm super excited to watch it.
सर आपको बताना इंतजार कैसा लगा मैम का सॉन्ग अगर आपको.
बहुत अच्छा लगा था. एक्चुअली मुझे उस टाइम चांस नहीं मिला आरिफ से मिलने के लिए. एंड टुडे आई वाज टेलिंग दैट हाउ impressed I was while watching the music video. It was shot so well, like brilliantly, and even the trailer of this show, it looks awesome. Yeah.
आज नकुल का बर्थडे है कुछ आपके फ्रेंड्स से कौन कहना है.
Well, happy birthday to Nakul, और क्या कहते हैं इंसान को birthday पे. But he's an awesome guy. He's a great human being, and I think that's why he's come this far in life. And I just wish him happiness and success.
सर आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे.
मैं कुछ नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ. मैं बहुत नर्वस हूँ बिकॉज इट्स माई फर्स्ट शो एंड I'm just very nervous here. Like I just want everyone to like it, and it's great that all my friends are here, and you know everyone is
Everyone
liking the
will
trailer.
love it.
I hope so. Everyone likes it.
मैम के साथ कब आ रहा है नेक्स्ट वेब सीरीज.
I mean, the minute so y'all don't know this that she is very choosy. इनको जब तक आप वो स्क्रिप्ट नहीं सुनाओगे, वो पूरे म्यूजिक वीडियो में ये काफ़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है बिकॉज उन्होंने मुझसे हर एक सवाल पूछा था कि ये ऐसा क्यों है, ये वैसा क्यों है, मैं ये स्टेप क्यों कर रही हूँ, मैं वो स्टेप क्यों कर रही हूँ. एवरीथिंग शी इज़ वेरी एनल अबाउट ऑल दोज थिंग्स.
But he was
So I think
very
I will
nice.
only go to her when I have all the answers
Questions
ready in a
and
script,
answers, yeah.
and then I'll go to her and say, "This is it, Sana, and you have to do it." It's going to be that one.
No, but Arif honestly is a great director to work with, because कभी-कभी ऐसे होते हैं कि directors are very stuck in their head and feel they are very sure about something, but he takes inputs, he understands what an actor is feeling, and he still does what he wants.
ठंडी का मौसम चल रहा है कि किसी को कैसे फील कर रहे हैं आप मुंबई की ठंडी को.
देखो मैं ठंड से ही आ रही हूँ, so I'm like I've been cold in America, now I'm cold in Bombay. I thought कि जब मैं बॉम्बे आऊँगी the weather will be nice, it'll be warmer, but that's not happening. अच्छा लग रहा है actually, it's nice.
Okay. Thank you.
Watch it guys, watch it everyone, watch it.
एक सेकंड, देयर इज कंफ्यूजन हैपनिंग समवेयर. सो अभी क्वेश्चंस आर हियर.
We'll listen here and
हाँ, बट हु इज आस्किंग द क्वेश्चंस?
she's asking.
ओके.
Everyone's asking.
हाय एवरीवन, हाय हाय हाय. जैकेट क्यों नहीं पहनी है, ठंड नहीं लग रही? No, we haven't. We are looking forward to seeing it right now. It's a premiere. Nakul has called us today on a double whammy, his birthday and this awesome show.
yes.
ओके सिंस नेवर किस योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड आप बताइए कितना इस टाइटल से कितना ज़्यादा सहमति रखता है.
I Sehmati, I don't know. I think it's different in everyone's case. If your best friend is also your partner, then or your lover, then that's totally okay. But if that is not the case, then you shouldn't. Simple.
I am perfectly okay with kissing my best friend. I'm a straight man. So it's okay kissing my best friend as a North Indian and saying I love you. If it's a woman, it's even better. But I love kissing
No,
people.
kissing is not this kissing. Kissing means this kissing.
That
Here,
one.
in this case.
Then all women best friends are okay, male friends are not okay. Male friends on the cheek, women friends, well, depending on your mood.
ओके नकुल का बर्थडे भी है आप श्योर है क्या विशेष भी उनको और कोई गिफ्ट
See, I'll tell you first and foremost, इस शहर में नकुल मेहता मेरा सबसे पुराना दोस्त है. मतलब कि उसके पापा और मेरे पापा नेवी में साथ में थे. They were in the naval arm together. They started their careers together, and it's a very happy coincidence that my very first friend, when I came to become an actor, was Nakul Mehta, and I am so happy. I wish him all the love, all the success. He's a rock star, but most importantly, I think he's a gentleman and a fantastic actor, and whatever he does is always classy.
Yeah, I think I wish him the same. Gift उसके लिए नहीं ला पाए. In fact, I told him, but like.
Yeah, मैंने उसे बोला मैं Nakul is going to get a gift for you. अरे what is मैं हाँ फिर ठीक है.
Yeah, but I mean, of course, I want to wish him all the very best, and the show looks really promising. It's the fun rom-com kinds that I like to watch. It's the kind of content that I always would like to work on also. So I'm really excited to see, and I think he's a fabulous actor, and I wish him all the best for this and otherwise.
And also it's the start of 2020. What's new and exciting coming from your side? Like
I just have to wait a little bit to probably let the exciting things out. But yeah, soon I'll let you know.
For me, the man who's written the book years ago, I'd met him. So my thing is, I'm writing, I'm going to act, and I'm going to direct and produce something. But yeah, we'll keep that for later on. I don't want to kind of give it away, but yeah, that's something. But lots of things coming up. Thank you so much. All the best, Nakul Mehta. You're a rock star. We love you, and never been kissed. Mwah. Here's a kiss for you.
never kiss your best friend.
Yes.
How excited are you and what's making you most excited?
I'm very excited because it's a completely fresh approach. It's a great story based on a book, and it's got a great cast. I've done a small bit in it as well, and I think it's just the way the whole story has been treated in a very hip, irreverent, and funky way. I think that's what I like a lot. And the locations, my God, it's like Karan Johar on TV on the web, you know. Yeah.
They are even getting the compliment feel, like it's looking like Karan.
Yeah, I know. It's looking absolutely fantastic, and Arif has been very meticulous in, bringing the look he wanted, and he's created it. I think it's looking great, and the performances are good. Nakul and Anya have done very well, so it's good.
When we talk about the
I don't know because I haven't never kissed my best friend, so I don't know. But I think it's okay. Maybe it's right, or maybe it's wrong. I don't know.
Ma'am, are you enjoying Mumbai winter?
I'm loving it. Oh my God, I'm absolutely loving it. Yesterday was 17. I think today will be even colder. It's 11. हो जाएगा. Okay, no, I'm loving this Mumbai winter. May every Mumbai winter be like this, and maybe get snow in the next few years. क्या पता, कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Climate change.
Climate change, global warming. Yeah. Thank you. God bless, and all the very, very best. You never kiss your best friend. It's rocking.
Firstly, you are here for the screening of Never Kiss Your Best Friend. How excited are you and what are you expecting from this?
I'm very excited because Nakul is my first co-star from Hale Dil, and I'm so proud of what he's done, what he's achieved, and now that he's finally come onto the OTT space. The show is looking brilliant. Nakul, of course, has always been brilliant, and I'm actually looking forward, to watching the show.
And he's been my co-star too.
His co-star too, her co-star too. So
Yeah.
he's looking cool. He's
Plus,
here, he's right here.
My
Mr. Nakul Mehta.
friend's
Nakul
story,
Mehta,
so yeah.
please come here. Mr. Nakul Mehta, my brother. It's so proud. I'm so proud of him. I'm excited. I can't wait to watch the show, bro.
It is so good to see you. Addy का show पिछले हफ्ते release हुआ है, and I've worked with actually both of them now.
Yes.
And it's so good to have you at our screening. Thank
Can't
you.
wait. Thank you,
Thank you,
brother.
man. Thank you.
We are actually excited. for
Yeah.
this one. We were
पहला
really
frame
excited.
देखा मैंने, बहुत hot लग रहा है नकुल.
Have you guys do you all believe in the title?
Never kiss your best friend.
I actually do this.
I
Actually,
do.
Are you all best
I
friends?
wanna see-
I do.
Me and yeah, we are actually.
We are best friends.
So you should have believed in the title, guys. This is wrong.
Actually, my second question was that only, like, how much do you agree with this title? Like, how much do you agree with this title?
I agree with this title because it ruins your friendship for sure.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And I want to see what kind of take they have given this title of Never Kiss Your Best Friend and where does the story actually go and end. So I'm looking forward here. Let's see where the story goes here.
And then also your series is also out, you know, Damage.
Yes, Damage 2 with Hina, yes.
It was too early to ask you, but now we can ask you that how is the response you are getting?
The response actually
It's really nice.
has been very good. The performances, the show in itself, दो तीन रिव्यू अभी आए हैं and they have been very very warm and they have been very kind towards my work and everybody's work. It's just the beginning right now. It's the weekend now, so people are going to start binge watching the show. Now that I'm here, just guys go
I
and watch
personally
Damage
liked
2 on
it,
MX
yeah.
Player and Hungama. Go watch it. Yes.
I loved his
She has
show.
no choice. She has to
No,
like it.
of course I have a choice, but yeah, I loved his show and his performance and Hina's performance too. It's too good.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
ट्रेलर देखा होगा आपने?
हाँ जी नहीं ट्रेलर ही देखा है मैं आया भी हूँ यहाँ पे सो बट आई एम गोइंग टू बी मीटिंग नकुल इन अ बिट एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू बी सीइंग द नेक्स्ट रीडिंग
2020 है, क्या कुछ आने वाला है? इसका नया लुक आप देख रहे हैं, बताना चाहेंगे 2020?
हेलो सो नया लुक नहीं है वही है लुक पुराने वाले ही है यार चेहरा तो बदला नहीं जा सकता
पावरफुल लग रहे हैं।
It's Nakul's show and he's someone who's very very close to me at many levels. I mean not just because he's a part of the industry, but I know Nakul for over a decade and a half now, and you know I think I bond with Nakul at a very different level. So I had to be a part of this one, and I had to come here to support him.
Besides that, you know, it has
I'm sorry. Never kiss your best friend. I don't know if I agree with it, but I'm sure the story has a different story to tell. I mean, the show has a different story to tell. But there are so many times that, you know, friendship progresses into love, and whatever progresses into love, you know, often begins with a kiss. So you may have to kiss your best friend to fall in love and then get married. Yeah. In my life, yeah. I'm married to one. And some interesting things. I'm not at liberty to share a lot right now, but we will be talking soon. एपिसोड तो नहीं देख पाया हूँ मगर मैं उसकी स्टोरीज देखता रहता हूँ तो मैंने शो जो है निया के इंस्टाग्राम पे पूरा देख लिया एंड निया नोज एंड यू नो दैट माय बेस्ट विशेस एंड प्रेयर्स आर ऑलवेज देयर विद हर लाइक दैट देयर विद नकुल दे आर ऑलवेज देयर विद निया आल्सो सो शी इज डूइंग अ वेरी वेरी गुड जॉब एंड आई विश हर ऑल द बेस्ट
तो आपका कोई ऑलरेडी 2019 में वेब सीरीज आपका हिट था तो वो आने वाला है कि
बताऊंगा आई विल टेल यू सून गॉड ब्लेस All the best. Enjoy.
Yeah. I am very excited because my friend Nakul was in the show. In fact, I met him in London also when he was shooting for it, and उसने मुझे बताया था बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें. Because it was lovely weather, lovely locations, lovely actors. So I'm here. I have not seen the trailer, but I really want to see the show anyway because I've heard great things about the show. Okay. I think they're just saying it because of the locations, because of the way it looks. I think they've shot in London. Web shows are not being shot in locations like these, so I think, which is a good thing. So, and it's a good comparison. But I believe that the show, I'm sure, has more than those films. People are just judging by the way it looks and the locations. But I believe, from what I've heard, the show has much more than a Dharma film probably. From my side, I have shot for a film with Balaji called Dolly Kitty और वो चमकते सितारे, which is directed by Alankrita Srivastava, which is coming out hopefully soon. I have also shot for my first film and in a leading part, which I can't say anything else about because it's not been announced yet. But the shoot is over and it should be announced any day now. And of course, I'm really looking forward to that. Thank you, thank you.
देखने आ रही हूँ मैं आजकल. I think the most exciting about the show is that Nakul is actually looking 15 years younger. He's actually looking like a college boy and he's looking too cute and he's actually acting flawlessly. It's coming so naturally to him that I think I'm liking every scene that he's done till now, whatever I've seen. Of course, I was actually one of the first people to see the trailer because it just came in and we were with him. So we actually saw it like when it came on the phone and the next 2 minutes we were all watching. Oh God, we all saw it and then we were quiet and then we were like, okay, let's watch it again because we all wanted to like just understand what happened. I think it's shot so beautifully and it's actually very natural and fun and let's see what happens in the later episodes. I don't know. You can kiss your best friend if he turns out to be your husband. That's happened with me. So yeah, but I think it's okay.
Okay, ma'am. How much you enjoyed
Mumbai?
Mumbai?
Oh yeah, I've heard people are doing bonfires in Bombay for a change. I don't know if it's true or not, but clearly everyone's removed their balloons and everyone's wearing it, so I'm totally loving it.
Are you watching?
No, not really.
Little bit your best friend.
No, I don't have any favorite. I don't watch it that regularly, so I don't want to say.
झगड़ा हो रहा है, मारा-मारी हो रहा है.
उससे अच्छा never kiss my best friend देखो यार, इतना cute है, इतना funny है, कोई झगड़ा नहीं है, अच्छा वाला झगड़ा है, प्यार हो जाता है, ऐसी सब चीजें वो देखो. Thank you.
Yes, I love the trailer. I think it has a very fresh, very energetic vibe. I love the song, so I'm really looking forward to it. I mean, it is the same producers of Broken, so I mean, it's a very personal project for me. I mean, I'm very close to them, so I'm very excited to see. Because Broken तो ये बॉम्बे के बाहर ही नहीं लेकर गए, ये उन्होंने लंदन में शूट किया है. So I want to see कि ऐसा क्या शूट किया है इन्होंने. But on a serious note, really liking it, yeah. I was very upset. I didn't want to come for the screening. No, I'm actually really excited to see because Broken was also their first project. So I'm very excited to see what they do and how their journey is going to be because it's literally like I started, they started. So it's all like,
Okay, so
as you have already worked with them, obviously that is making you more excited about the series also.
Yes, that is making me more excited. I know the way they package the product with great music, great visuals, and then Nakul is a very dear friend, and everyone knows that he's a really nice actor. He's a very good human being, so I'm also very excited for Nakul. Nakul ji, I'm just talking about him. You have lost yours.
I have lost yours, man.
It's his birthday. A very happy birthday to you.
So good to see
You're
you.
looking very charming.
Thank you.
And I'm very excited to see you on screen. Yeah.
Thank you. I'm glad you're here.
You were looking like 10 years younger for some reason. I thought it was only on screen, but his vibe has changed. See, this is what an acting project can do to you.
सभी ने कहा है कि आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा 10-15 years younger लग रहे हैं.
यार मैं वैसे भी यंग ही हूँ यार, मतलब अभी 10-15 साल क्या है.
सच बताओ, कितने साल के हुए हो तुम आज?
कुछ नहीं यार, मतलब 25-26 साल में थोड़ी बोलना चाहिए अपनी उम्र.
सही बात है, नहीं बताते.
But I'm so happy to see you. मैं यहाँ पर इंडिया में नहीं था जब हरलीन का शो लॉन्च हुआ. And it made waves all across London में हम लोग सुन रहे थे how people loved it. And I'm so glad she's here to watch.
When are you watching Broken? Let's talk about that. Never
Yeah,
Kiss Your Best Friend
yeah.
I'm going to watch right now. When is he watching Broken?
See, next 2 days are free. I'm not promoting the show anymore.
Okay.
So I'll go home and get on
So
to
I
it.
will watch your show, you will watch mine.
Yes!
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 Okay, that's a good deal. I like that. Yeah. Yeah. Interesting question. Yeah, I think if you kiss your best friend, then your best friend is more than a best friend. है ना? It just doesn't stay at that. So आई थिंक नेवर किस योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड सही टाइटल है. Depends on the maturity level of those two people and where they are at in their relationship. I think it's that. It's very subjective to two people and how they would approach something like that, you know. So एक आंसर नहीं है इसका. Sorry, what started? 2020 has started, yeah. Actually, it's a very exciting year because I shouldn't be saying this. I'm very tempted to say it, but I should wait for the producers to announce it. Yeah, 2 projects, hopefully, fingers crossed. So once the announcement happens, I can talk about it. But I've been working on a couple of things. Yeah, I'm very excited to say it. Okay, no, shut up, don't say it. It's a film.
Your co-star Vikrant recently did a big film.
Yeah.
You watched that film or are you planning to watch?
I am planning to watch it. I haven't got the time to see it yet. But of course, Vikrant, everybody knows, is a great actor, a great human being. And I really connect with the story. I think Lakshmi Agarwal, जिन पे ये कहानी बनी है, she's very, very inspiring. Like, I also follow her on Instagram, and I see a couple of her TikTok videos. I think I don't have that level of confidence that she shows. The amount of self-love that she's developed for herself, the kind of acceptance that she has for whatever happened, and how she's taken it in her stride and only taken it forward in her life. I think it's very inspiring. So I really want to see it for that, for her story. Yeah, I'm looking forward to watching it, and also Deepika is really, really lovely, and I'm a big fan of Meghna Gulzar's storytelling. So yeah.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so firstly, you're here for the screening of Never Kiss Your Best Friend.
Yes.
What is making you most excited about it?
Nakul and Sarita, 2 wonderful people I know. And of course, Sarita is producing it. Nakul's the star of the show, and he's been a friend, he's a brother. I wish him the best, and anything to be there for your friends and encourage them.
It was also his birthday.
Oh, it is his birthday, not was. Happy birthday, Nakul! Never kiss your best friend unless your best friend is me. You can kiss me anytime.
And how will you feel
With the?
with this title?
I have never been in that situation actually. I've never had a female best friend. I've had all male best friends, and I have never kissed them. So, yeah, I mean, it's true. I've never had a female best friend actually. I only have male best friends.
Then why is that?
I don't know. It's organic. I didn't choose to not have female best friends. It just the flow of life was such that I had only male best friends.
Are you single?
Am I single? I cannot tell you that on camera.
Why?
मेरे पीछे पड़ गए यहाँ.
तो बता दीजिए ना सर, आप
हाँ.
कर रही है.
Okay, so it's 2020. Already.
I want to kiss my best friend, but we gotta make this happen, bro. I just told them happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
And never kiss your best friend unless your best friend is Nakul.
Oh, good to see you, man. How phenomenally well are you doing on TV, man?
Thank you.
I feel so happy. Karan, matlab mera one of the
Oldest,
like
yeah, I know.
oldest friends. Like I've known him since we've been doing TV.
बता मत कितने साल हो गए.
Or but to have that longevity on TV for all these years and to keep reinventing is phenomenal. It's phenomenal.
You inspire as much.
जी.
सर का भी शो काफी हिट है.
मैंने वही अंग्रेजी में बोला अभी.
हाँ, तो
हिंदी में बोलिया.
हाँ.
तो मैं वही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आप देखते हैं कि नहीं?
मैं करण के बहुत सारे स्निपेट्स इंस्टाग्राम पे, ट्विटर पे जेन्युइनली देखता हूँ, एंड आई ऑल्सो कीप आस्किंग बिकॉज आई लाइक टू नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन द इंडस्ट्री. और सबका कहना है कि टीवी पे कोई शो ही नहीं है आजकल. द ओनली शो इज द करण एंड दीपिका शो, which is how I would imagine, because I don't think he'll pick a project जिसमें मजा ना हो.
No, you're too kind.
No, but this is what everyone says unanimously.
They asked me कि आपने अपने best, how much do I agree with the title? मतलब मेरी आज तक कोई girl best friend थी नहीं. जो थे male best friends थे, and I haven't
बेस्ट फ्रेंड बनने के पहले शायद किस कर लिया हो, तो बेस्ट फ्रेंड नहीं
बेस्ट फ्रेंड बने ही नहीं. देखिए लड़के ज़्यादातर लड़कियां बेस्ट फ्रेंड तब बनाते हैं जब या तो वो किस नहीं कर पाते या किसी कारण
या नहीं चाहते।
या नहीं चाहते ऐसा कुछ हो तो Well, it's begun at a great note. The show is doing well, thankfully. I'm happy for my friends who are doing so well in a platform that's forever growing. And Z5, of course, a very inspiring platform. I watch all their stories. So I think for all of us, it looks good. Yeah, and the weather's nice. You know.
Yeah, that's the best part about the year.
We get to wear jackets.
Yeah.
It's cool. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Here for the screening of Never Kiss Your Best Friend.
Yes, I am.
Making you excited? Like, what's making you most excited about this?
What is making me most excited? यार ये रिश्ता बड़ा यूनिक है. I mean मैंने स्क्रीन पे ऐसा रिश्ता पहले देखा नहीं है. And Anya and Nakul have done a fantastic job with it. It's so I don't want to say bold. That's not the right word. उसमें मस्ती है, एक मज़ा है. And दोनों एक्टर ने काफ़ी मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया. तो उसमें बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे.
When we talk about title, how much do you agree with this Never Kiss Your Best Friend?
I don't agree. I think, I think that oftentimes our life partners are our best friends. I don't agree. I think that my best friend became my life partner, so I'm very, very familiar with that process. So I would recommend, if you have a best friend that you think there's a chance of something happening from that, kiss them. Maybe more than kiss them.
Besides that, have you ever encountered this, like as you said, it's your life partner with whom you encountered it. But besides that, have you ever?
Have I ever done what?
Have you ever kissed your best friend?
No, I haven't. No.
Okay, so 2020 has been started. What's an exciting something? Any excitement project?
Yeah, I'm working on Anubhav Sinha's next film, Thappad. I'm also working on a film with Bijoy Nambiar. And then everything else I can't tell you. Although Former Shots Season 2 is happening, huh? No, I can't. I would like to, लेकिन मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ. मैं रोल के बारे में नहीं बता सकता हूँ. But it's a good film. You guys should all watch it.
About the co-stars?
Co-stars आप IMDb पे जाके देख सकते हो. सारा सब कुछ है.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so you have driven music.
Yes.
So tell me, what is the compliment? What are the compliments you're getting for it?
So basically जो पूरा ये शो है, जो डायरेक्टर है इसके आरिफ खान, ही इज़ अ वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन. एंड सिने वन के साथ भी पहले काम किया हुआ है. ब्रोकन जो सीरीज़ थी उसमें भी एक गाना किया हुआ था मैंने, कॉल्ड लौटे नहीं, पैपॉन के साथ. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी कम बैक टुगेदर नाउ. एंड बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है. अरमान मलिक ने गाया है गाने को, एंड ही इज़ टेकन द सॉन्ग टू अनदर लेवल. एंड हर जगह पे बहुत ही अच्छा कि यंग और फ्रेश साउंड है. हम लोगों ने भी कुछ डिफरेंट ट्राई किया. जनरली जो रोमांटिक टाइप गाने होते हैं उसमें इतना इलेक्ट्रॉनिक म्यूज़िक का यूज़ नहीं होता है. बट वी ट्राई टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट एंड लकीली एवरीबडी इज़ टेकन इट रियली वेल. अभी हम लोग ने एपिसोड भी देखा एंड इट्स लुकिंग रियली गुड ऑन स्क्रीन ऑल्सो. तो आई एम रियली ग्लैड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ सच अ ग्रेट प्रोजेक्ट.
How much time did it took to prepare for the song?
So this song basically last year I had cracked it when ये पूरा सीरीज़ कॉन्सेप्चुलाइज हो रहा था. तभी मेरे को स्क्रिप्ट सुनाया और उनको एक गाना चाहिए था जो बेसिकली ये शो को डिफ़ाइन करे और जो फ्रेंडशिप को डिफ़ाइन करे उनकी. तो तभी हम लोग का एक जो ट्यून होता है वो बन गया था. एंड आफ्टर दैट प्रोडक्शन और अरेंजमेंट पूरा करते करते अराउंड 1 महीने में पूरा गाना का रेडी हो गया था. एंड बाद में चेंजेस तो होते ही रहते हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू विजुअल्स बनाने पड़ता है कुछ ना कुछ. तो वो चल रहा है. और एक और गाना है मेरा इसमें, इट्स कॉल्ड क्यों जुदा. इट्स अ सैड सॉन्ग, वो भी अरमान ने गाया हुआ है. एंड वो भी काम चल रहा ही है. सो वी आर लुकिंग एट द एपिसोड्स और उस हिसाब से थोड़े बहुत चेंजेस करते रहते हैं.
Okay, although the songs are sung by Arman, but you are also a good singer.
येस, इनफैक्ट मेरा यही महीने एक गाना रिलीज़ हुआ है कॉल्ड मुकाबला फ्रॉम स्ट्रीट डांसर. तो बहुत अच्छा है. अभी सीन पूरा बदल गया है. मैं खुद गाता हूँ तो भी ये गाने मैंने जब बना रहा था तब मेरे को अरमान ही याद आ रहा था. तो इसलिए मैंने बोला कि ये मैं नहीं गाऊँगा, ये अरमान गाएगा. एंड दोनों गाने बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से गाया उसने. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी.
So we want you to sing 2 lines.
Okay, I'll sing. धीरे धीरे बढ़ने लगी जाने कैसी है दोस्ती, थोड़ा थोड़ा मैं तुझसा तू मुझसी है होने लगी, मिला हूँ जब से तेरा हूँ तब से, पास तेरे हूँ दूर सबसे, हुआ है जैसा हुआ नहीं कभी, जाने ना दूंगा कहीं. Thank you so much.
You know, I really look forward to whatever comes from this production house. They have really killed it with their music last year with shows like Broken and films like Kabir Singh. So I'm really looking forward to the music and the show. I saw the trailer and it's one of those shows that you definitely have to watch. You know, it has that vibe about it, that it's a very easy breezy watch and a very unpretentious watch for me, trailer for me. So I'm really looking forward to it.
Your basically Broken that also did a very well in your web.
Yes.
What do you want to say regarding that?
Look, Broken was a case of, you know, something that happens to you, a great project happens to you and which takes your career further. Broken for me is like that. It was a coming together of a great team, great music, great actors, great technicians, and a project that was loved by audience. So I'll always be very grateful for that project in my life. It actually gave me the go-ahead for a lot of other projects that I'm doing right now.
Any upcoming project 2020?
I have 2 shows coming in 2020. I have a biopic on, I'm doing a period drama for an OTT platform. I think it's going to be announced in March. And I have another show with Applause Entertainment, which will again be announced by, I think, Feb. So 2 shows in the next 6 months. Yeah, thank you very much.